Welcome back to the show. I'm Gaard Swanson. It's another standing ovation for our friends at ShelfGenie. They recently helped a Snohomish woman transform her kitchen and beyond, and I couldn't wait to see the results.
Has anybody ever been in love? I mean, raise your hand if you've ever been in love.
Every day, you'll find actor Dawn Cornell memorizing her lines for an upcoming performance.
I do a lot of theater. I'm in a show right now, but I love everything having to do with live stage.
Dawn's passionate about acting, but she's also passionate about organization, especially her new ShelfGenie pullouts. Her old kitchen cabinets were a big flop.
Oh, when we first moved into the house, I loved the home. I looked at the kitchen and I went, I can't live with this kitchen. There are these bars that make it impossible for me to access anything.
That's when Dawn knew it was showtime for ShelfGenie.
What I really love about doing this work with ShelfGenie is that it has a huge impact on our clients. And it's taking spaces that are really hard to get, really hard to access, and have limited storage space. And we're just trying to make the most use of it so that they can get to everything with ease and use all of the space that they have.
Oh, let's make some cornbread, honey. Here. We'll get this and we'll grease it, okay?
There's no question Dawn's biggest stage is her kitchen. So she and ShelfGenie got to work, starting with a consultation and images of what her new cabinets could look like.
So this is your cabinet, that one right over there.
Yeah.
You see how it's got that post in the middle?
Yeah.
So what we're going to do is we're going to cut that and then attach it to that door so you've got a nice big wide open space.
Alan, that's it. ShelfGenie is gonna fix this. Oh my God, I can't believe it. That's exactly what I needed.
You know, we take pride in our level of service to our clients. So it's not just about the quality of product, which is great, but you know, everything from the design through the installation, super professional, showing up on time, being very clean, cleaning up after ourselves. And then even afterwards, if clients have issues or they need an adjustment, you know, they just contact us and we're gonna get back to them right away.
In just a few hours, ShelfGenie installed Dawn's new pullouts. It was a big hit.
Okay, show me your favorite cabinet.
My favorite cabinet?
Yes.
Okay, here we go.
All right.
This is my favorite cabinet.
And why is this your favorite?
Well, Gaard, ShelfGenie came in and took a total mess and created 3 cabinets out of 1.
All that space.
All that space.
Man, that's nice.
It was incredible. So this is the biggest deal because these are heavy Dutch oven product, and you feel that. Oh God, it's too heavy. Feel it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And so it holds a lot of weight.
But her kitchen was just the first act. A few months later, ShelfGenie came back for an encore, tackling her bathroom.
I have makeup for the shows. I have a lot of product that was way in the back. Again, there was this bar that you couldn't get to. They removed it, and they created a full extension shelf that made it possible for me to go to the very back of the cabinet and get everything I needed.
The focus is on our clients. It's like we want these people to be happy. We want to exceed their expectations and make it a fun process. And we want them raving about us and their solutions, you know, after it's done.
Dawn, let me ask you this question. Who's the bigger star on stage, ShelfGenie or you?
Bar none, ShelfGenie.
Really?
Oh God, they're here all the time. I'm only on stage once in a while. They're here all the time.
With the spotlight on them.
The spotlight.
ShelfGenie is offering a free professional design consultation and free installation for the first 15 callers right now. Call the number there on your screen, 206-929-4954 to take advantage of this special offer. There's also more information at shelfgenie.com/Seattle Refined.